ginger, lime, parsley, and celery. So we're using roughly about 4 celery, piece of a ginger, 1 lime, and a pack of parsley. That's the blender. You want to put in your parsley. You want to put in your lime. I'm using 1 medium-sized lime, piece of a ginger, and I use roughly about 4 stalks of celery. Yeah. Put everything into the blender like this. If you like to, you can. Okay, but you don't have to. You don't have to add water. It's gonna add a little bit, but you don't have to. Just to fill the blender a little bit. Put on the lid. And pour it out. Excellent. Nice. Very powerful juice to drink in the morning. This gives you energy. Yeah, it gives you a lot of energy, and you don't have to throw this. This is good. This is really good. All right, just to remind you. Beautiful juice to drink in the morning when you wake up. Look at this. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. Okay, quickly, grab yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon, 50% off right now. Okay, now, this is the beautiful celery juice, which we are talking about this morning. You guys can drink it. With the benefit is amazing. All right. As I say, you can drink this for 14 days. It's up to you. All right. Over the last 7 days, I've been drinking juice. This morning I drink cucumber. The next morning I drink celery. The next morning I drink cucumber. I've been doing this for about 7 days now in a row. All right. Let's drink this. This is amazing. Wow. This is really good. Wow. Really nice. Let's rinse it out a little bit. Yeah. Cheers, guys. That was lovely. Honestly.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight.